A new day begins in the rugged wilderness, and with it, the timeless rhythm of the great brown bear.
Observation complete at Station 3. Vitals are stable. Repeating, vitals are stable.
Over.
Vitals are stable, 98% oxygen saturation. Confirmed. Starting the blood draw.
X-ray exposure initiated.
Verify tag on Platform 4. Unit 7 is clear for transfer.
Confirmed. Moving to wash bay.
Operating at a precise 2 degrees Celsius, the system
Check the edges on this one, B. Looks clean. A bit thin here. Adjusting the spray nozzle.
Clearance check, Bay 3.
Looks good. Keep it coming back.
Copy that. Next load is staged.
From the golden hour of dusk to the blue light of dawn, the refrigerated convoy pushes onward, an 800-mile sprint against the clock.
Here are the hazmat permits.
Oh, please, let me scan these into the system. Everything looks correct. You are good to go.
Straps confirmed on row 3. Ready for pull.
Roger. Scanning manifest now. Bringing the jack forward. And 1, transfer. Clear.
Align the edge precisely at 1.5 meters.
Checking the thickness variations, this section is 10 millimeters.
All right, lift carefully. This one is grade A. Confirmed. Placing it now. Get the gold tag ready.
Batch BL-047, 24 units incoming to wash station.
all equipment is locked and secured, Supervisor.
Received. Initiating wash cycle.
All hooks lifting synchronized. Holding steady now for the drip cycle. Load secure on the south end.
With the final hides loaded, the workers seal the drums, initiating the automated dehairing cycle crucial for the chemical treatment phase. Over the next 18 hours, the chemical solution transforms, monitored closely by technicians, ensuring the complete removal of hair.
Batch BL047 inspection complete, 24 units ready for extraction, hair removal 100% effective, no grain damage observed.
Hoist 3, clear the drum. Copy that, lifting now.
I have the sample from drum 3. Place it here.
Chrome uptake is stable at 65%.
Drainage valve open. Cycle time is good. Engage the hoist. Let's get these inspected. Looks like a quality run.
Inspectors confirm the hides meet specifications for color, moisture, and flexibility before moving to the next stage. Ensure maximum surface tension before clamping.
Confirmed. Applying clamps now.
Applying the fat liquor emulsion is a critical conditioning step, ensuring lubrication deep within the collagen fibers for damage-free softening.
Keep feeding it straight. This one feels good, ready for the stack.
Comprehensive assessment confirms these hides meet strict specifications. Softness registers at 45 to 55 Shore A.
The spectrophotometer confirms the match to Pantone 19-1118 teak brown.
Good. Delta E is well within tolerance.
Turning. With the hides loaded, the drums are sealed and the dyeing cycle begins. Automated systems inject the brown dye. Using standardized lighting, inspectors confirm the rich dark brown color. Colorimeter readings verify the LAB.
Infrared heating panels provide radiant heat across 4 distinct zones, precisely reducing moisture content from 55% down to 14%.
Lay that one flat on the inspection table, carefully.
Dimensions checked. We have a 12% stretch in uniform thickness. Approved for softening.
Workings. The controlled application of the conditioning mist is critical, ensuring the leather achieves optimal moisture specification.
The matte finish looks consistent across the batch.
Adhesion seems strong. No signs of orange peel or pinholes on this section.
The The crystal-clear polyurethane topcoat is applied using precision HVLV spray guns, creating a glossy, durable finish. As the hides advance through the curing tunnel, the polyurethane topcoat undergoes chemical cross-linking. The coat. As the hides feed through the machine, the felt rollers apply light pressure, enhancing the gloss and creating that uniform silhouette.
Comprehensive final quality control.
Finished hides receive permanent grade labels and RFID tags, ensuring complete traceability and quality assurance for luxury brand manufacturing applications.
I've signed off on the final documents. The quality is excellent.
Couldn't have done it without the team. Batch complete.
Well done, everyone.
The nesting algorithm looks efficient. Let's send the grade 1 patterns to the plotter for verification.
Printing the full-scale markers now.
The CNC machine rapidly cuts precise patterns from premium bare leather, guided by laser projection, achieving skiving and beveling are critical steps. This specialized machinery thins the edges, ensuring a flawless seam on luxury leather products.
Monitor. The workflow is meticulously organized. From wallet construction to belt finishing, every stage maximizes material.
Through precision hot foil stamping and integrated RFID technology, every item is traceable, right down to the manufacturer. Comprehensive documentation ensures complete product traceability, quality accountability, and efficient distribution planning for our luxury goods. Review the manifest and sign here confirming receipt of cargo.
Looks good. I accept responsibility for safe delivery.
The climate-controlled transport ensures timely delivery, utilizing real-time tracking for a seamless connection between manufacturing and retail.
Quality check complete on the tote. It's pristine.
Registering the serial numbers now. The system shows it's ready for the floor.
The placement on the pedestal is perfect. Did we apply the security tags yet?
Yes, they are discreetly placed on all items.
This exquisite piece is handcrafted from premium bare leather, chrome tanned and aniline dyed for rich color and natural.
Would you like to add our matching accessories to complete your collection?
I'll just take the handbag today, thank you.
To maintain the leather's beauty, we recommend periodic conditioning. We look forward to serving you again.
I highly recommend this brand. The quality is simply unmatched, and it just gets better with time.